Welcome to our video on the secrets to a great relationship. Whether you're in a long-term partnership, just starting a new relationship, or simply curious about what makes a relationship work, this video is for you. Relationships are one of the most fulfilling aspects of our lives, but they can also be challenging and require constant work. In this video, we'll explore the key elements of a successful relationship and share practical tips on how to build and maintain a strong, loving bond with your partner. From communication to trust, respect to compromise, we'll cover it all. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and get ready to learn the secrets to a great relationship. 1. Communication. Discuss the importance of communication in a relationship. Provide tips for effective communication, such as active listening and using I statements. Give examples of how good communication can prevent unresolved conflict. 2. Trust. Talk about how trust is the foundation of a healthy relationship. Explain how to build and maintain trust, such as being honest and reliable. Share how trust can be broken and how to work on rebuilding it. 3. Respect. Emphasize the significance of respecting your partner's feelings, boundaries, and opinions. Offer suggestions on how to show respect, such as being attentive and supportive. Show how disrespect can erode a relationship and cause pain. 4. Compromise. Mention that compromising is essential in a relationship to accommodate each other's needs and goals. Discuss how to negotiate and find solutions that work for both partners. Explain how a lack of compromise can create resentment and damage a relationship. 5. Quality time. Talk about how spending quality time together is crucial for a strong relationship. Suggest ways to create quality time, such as date nights, shared hobbies, or simple conversations over a cup of tea. Emphasize the importance of being present and attentive during this time. 6. Support. Explain how supporting each other emotionally and physically is essential for a healthy relationship. Share how you can provide support, such as being there for each other during tough times or helping each other reach personal goals. Show how a lack of support can cause strain and resentment. 7. Forgiveness. Discuss how forgiveness can repair and strengthen a relationship. Share how to practice forgiveness, such as acknowledging mistakes, taking responsibility, and letting go of grudges. Explain how holding grudges or refusing to forgive can cause lasting damage. 8. Intimacy. Talk about how physical intimacy is an important part of a romantic relationship. Suggest ways to create intimacy, such as kissing, hugging, cuddling, or sex. Emphasize the importance of communication and consent in physical intimacy. 9. Individuality. Explain how each partner's individuality is vital in a healthy relationship. Share how to appreciate and respect each other's differences. Discuss how trying to change or control each other can harm the relationship. 10. Continuous work. Mention that maintaining a great relationship requires continuous work and effort. Share how to keep the relationship fresh and exciting, such as trying new things or surprising your partner. Emphasize the importance of growing and evolving together as a couple. And there you have it, the secrets to a great relationship. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, building a strong, loving relationship takes time, effort, and commitment from both partners. But with these key elements in mind, you'll be well on your way to a fulfilling and long-lasting partnership. So go ahead, communicate openly and honestly, build trust, show respect, compromise when needed, spend quality time, offer support, practice forgiveness, embrace individuality, and continue to work on your relationship. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on love, relationships, and personal growth. We wish you all the best in your relationship journey. Thanks for watching.